Hey everyone, how is it going? So in this video, I will show you how to crop in Canva. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right guys, let's add the image that we will use in this tutorial. Now let me scale the image so it fit the size on the canvas. After this, go up right here and click on this icon. Now you have two options to crop the image. First is manual. Go the screen on start cropping from the sides, and once you complete, then click on done. Now you can see the change. Second option is Canva. Already have different kinds of ratio that you can crop into. You can crop the image into landscape 16:9. Then there are others as well, like a 9:16 ratio. Last, you also have Smart Crop. If you click on this, then Canva will automatically crop your image. That's how you can crop in Canva. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If you want to know how to add a text box in Canva, then watch this video. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.